I did something slightly nerdish for this Christmas. An edible history of the Middle East, from the Big Bang to the Ottoman Empire. The dishes are, I need to emphasize, not historical recipes whatsoever. It's all about the presentation. The menu was: first, the Big Bang. Second, a primordial soup with Nautilus rolls. Third, a salad hunter and gatherer. Fourth, Ur-Quiche, which is the royal game of Ur. Fifth, the Paté-temen-an-ki. É-temen-an-ki is the name of the ziqqurat of Babylon. And a Mušḥuššu-Gratin from the Ištar-Gate. And the sixth course was a little cheese platter, Tetrapylon. Seventh, a Byzantine Porphyry pudding. And at the end, there were some Turkish Delights.